Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new one with me. So today we're going to be talking about how I repaired my severe damaged hair without cutting it off. I did this at home and you also can do that if you have damaged hair. So let's get right into it. So hair damage can be due to many factors such as chemical dye, scalp infection, and excessive heat. Mine was from heat, so I applied heat on my 3 years old natural hair without protecting it, and that was how I got my hair totally damaged. Now the question is, how can I know if my hair is damaged? Number one, texture change. In my case, I noticed that my hair could no longer do the normal hairstyle I usually do. Like my hair could not hold down the style. I had looser coil pattern and a little bit of straight ends. Number two, lack of elasticity. So we all know that a healthy natural hair is supposed to have shrinkage. Our natural hair is prone to shrinkage. So I noticed my hair lost all of that. Now number three is excessive hair breakage and shedding. Now we all know that hair shedding is part of our natural hair cycle. But if your hair is shedding excessively and snaps easily, then you should look into it. Now number four, excessive frizz and inability to retain moisture. Now this will mean your hair cuticle is damaged and can no longer hold moisture. And also if your natural hair routine no longer work for you, that means something is wrong. I had that problem too. So I've heard one or two people say they want to cut off all of their hair because it doesn't seem to be working out for them. Well, have you come to think and pause to know if your hair is damaged or not? And even if your hair is damaged, you don't need to cut it all off and start all over again. So sit down and listen to my tips on how to repair your damaged hair at home without cutting it all off. So now the first thing you will need to do is to switch from maintenance routine to a repair and protect routine. You have to make water your best friend. Drink lots of water and spray water on your hair every single day. Our hair is like a plant that needs water to flourish. So you have to spray water on your hair every single day. You have to incorporate protein treatments into your hair care regimen. So protein is said to strengthen your hair follicles and also protects your hair from damage. It improves hair elasticity, which you need. It reduces breakage and split ends and altogether help with the appearance of your hair. So get a good protein treatment product and incorporate it into your hair care regimen. Now you should also make hot oil treatment your friend. It helps to reduce frizz and add shine to your hair. So my next tip is deep condition weekly. Deep conditioning is going to strengthen your hair and protect it. Always rinse out your conditioner with cold water to seal in your cuticles. And after your wash day, always moisturize your hair and seal it in using the LCO method or the LOC method. If you don't know that, go do your research. So the next tip is incorporating Ayurvedic hair masks into your hair care regimen. Masks like clay masks, almond powder, moringa powder, avocado hair masks, and apple cider vinegar rinse. All of this is going to clarify your hair. It's going to rejuvenate it and bring it back to life. This mask helps to factory reset your hair if there's anything like that. Yes, I don't joke with marks like hair marks, Ayurvedic marks. I don't joke with any of that. Make it your friend. So my next tip is try to put your hair always in low manipulative protective styles and avoid heat and anything that's going to damage your hair. So now my last tip is going to be trimming your hair every month until your hair bounces back to its normal state. And when I say trim, I do not mean intense trimming. I'm not saying cut off your hair. I mean like dusting your ends always, your split ends. Try to always dust them every month so your damaged hair will go off while your new growth thrives. So if you do all of these things I have mentioned and you're judicious with this routine, your hair is gonna bounce back in no time. If I can do it, you also can do it. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed every bit of it and you learned something. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video to someone that actually really needs it. Please don't forget to comment. I'll be there to reply you. And thanks for watching to the end. Until next time, bye.